Hello everyone and welcome back to Pixaroma Channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI with Illustrate AI. We're exploring top project ideas that unleash boundless creativity. So, whether you're a crafter, designer, or just curious about AI applications, this video's for you. Let's jump right in. First up, art and craft. Picture this: personalized greeting cards and invitations for every occasion, all crafted using AI. Can't visualize it? Let Illustrate AI do the magic for you. You can also produce physical art prints. And just a quick note, always remember to sell the tangible art, not the digital files. Calling all coffee and tea lovers. Imagine sipping your morning brew from a mug that's truly unique. Dive into the world of AI and design that perfect cup to kickstart your day. Attention eco-friendly fashionistas. Tote bags can be more than just handy, they can be a fashion statement. With AI-driven creativity, craft chic designs for those stylish reusable bags. For the sticker enthusiasts out there, it's time to level up. Create bespoke decals for your laptop, journal, or any personal space. Let your imagination run wild with the power of AI. Ever considered giving your 3D graphics a unique touch? Explore the realm of AI-driven textures. These aren't your usual designs. They're fresh and entirely unique, enhancing your graphics like never before. Scrapbooking fans and craft lovers, a treat awaits you. Transform your memory keeping and paper crafting projects with a unique twist. Dive into the world of AI-inspired designs, opening doors to endless creative possibilities. Calendars and coasters can be more than just functional, they can be works of art. Imagine having a monthly visual treat with AI-crafted calendar designs or elevating your drink settings with personalized coasters. The blend of function and aesthetics has never been this exciting. Next up, print and publishing. Picture a book with a special cover made by AI. It adds a new touch, making it stand out on any shelf. Give your computer a fresh look with unique wallpapers. Enhance your slides, educational materials, and even memes with a touch of creativity. They'll stand out and grab attention. Generate mock-up presentations for your products. Personalize online presence with distinctive photos and illustrations. For game developers, improve your game environments with unique visuals and dive into exploring new worlds or product concepts with imaginative concept art. Design icons, characters, and power-ups. Elevate your digital presence, from catchy video thumbnails and impactful ads to tailored illustrations for online content. Boost your website's appeal with custom icons, engaging banners, and enrich your blog with fitting visuals. Furniture design concepts are paving the way, introducing modern interpretations for the next generation of furnishings. Interior design concepts, reimagine spaces with fresh interior visuals. Cosplay design ideas, realize your favorite fictional characters with vivid designs. Architecture concepts, explore the future of construction with innovative layouts. Jewelry design concepts, create captivating adornments with fresh inspirations. The horizon of creativity has expanded, all thanks to Illustrate AI. So, which project caught your eye? Share in the comments below. If you found this video enlightening, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more. Until next time, keep exploring and keep creating.